Welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas. Today is all about Snowman Christmas decor. Welcome to the Chic Show. Today's playlist is hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY and Crafting in Mimi's World. Cookies in it at one time, I think, for 95 cents. And then I'm also going to be using IOD's Frosty Sweet Shop stamps. I took the ribbon off and I'm going to save that because we're going to add that back on at the end. And then I started painting the hat box with Waverly chalk paint and plaster. And I painted the top and the sides as well as the bottom part. The IOD stamps come with masks which allow you to layer your stamps, and they're also perfect for designing your project. So this is the way I want the lid of my box to look. So these are the masks. I'm going to replace them with the stamps, and then I will ink them up with a black ink pad from Hobby Lobby. I'll repeat this process for the candy cane, starting with one and then layering the other one. The detail in all of the IOD stamps is unmatched. It's unlike any other stamp you could possibly imagine. Now for the bottom part of the box. I'm going to be inking up this stamp for along the front of the bottom of the box. I found it easiest just to roll my box on the stamp, and it seemed to work fine. You would need to be careful so that you hold it still so that you don't get a double print. I'm also going to be adding this little sucker to each side of the sign. I didn't want to leave the back of the box completely bare, so I used this stamp also from this same stamp set. The stamp set also comes with this long candy cane, which I'm going to be stamping along the edge of the top. And again, I just rolled my lid over the top of the stamp very carefully. I did have a couple of places that I had to go back and kind of re-ink that spot, but overall it turned out pretty well. I think this red ribbon adds a great pop of color to an otherwise pretty neutral project. I would love to know what you think about this one down in the comment section below. Hope you've enjoyed this Snowman Christmas decor video. If you did, be sure and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to check out the playlist or this video right here. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.